Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to hide apps on your iPhone. This is very simple to do, so let's get started right now. So there might be multiple ways to hide your apps, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest and fastest ways that I know to do it. So all you need to do is to hold down one of your apps that you've downloaded. I'm just going to use Google for example. When you do this, you can move around your app on your phone, but also if you hold it down, it will give you many different options. What you want to do is click on the delete button or the remove app. From here, it's going to give you two options, either to delete your app or to remove it from the home screen. You do want to click remove from home screen, so I'll just do this real fast. And then once you have done that, the app will no longer be there. In order to get back to that app, all you need to do is scroll over to the last page, look up whatever app you downloaded, so I'll just say Google. And as you can see, it appears right here. So you just click on it, and it's like the app is still there. So I hope this video helps. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you